Hello, everyone. This is Ayman Azab, and this is a presentation about identity of the triangular numbers. So this identity is Tn minus 1 times Tk plus Tn times Tk minus 1 supposed to be equal T Nk minus 1. So we have to prove this and explain this and verify that the left-hand side equal right-hand side. And we can take, for example, n equal 5 and k equal 3. So if we put n equal 5 to this term, Tn will be T5. And this term, Tk, because k equal 3, so Tk will be T3. So if n equals 5, that means n minus 1 is 4. So the first term here will be term number 4. And Tk, which equal 3, so term number 3. Plus T5, Tn, and n equal 5, times k minus 1, k equal 3, so k minus 1, that means term number 2. And if we multiply n times k, n equal 5, k equal 3, so n times k, 5 times 3 equals 15 minus 1, so the right-hand side must be term number 14. So if we can analytically find what is the numerical value for the left-hand side and what is the numerical value for the right-hand side, analytically, we can find that term number 4 from here, term number 4 for the triangular numbers, it's 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, which is 10. And term number 3, this term number 3 is 3 plus 2 plus 1, which is 6. Term number 5, this one, term number 5, which is 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, which is 15. Okay. And term number 2 here, and the triangular number, it will be 2 plus 1, which is 3. So the left-hand side equals term number 4, which is 10. This term will be, the value of this term will be 10. And term number 3 is 6. So it will be 10 times 6 plus term number 5 times term number 2, term number 5, 15, times term number 2, 3. So the second part, it will be 15 times 3. And the left-hand side will be 10 times 6, which is 60, plus 15 times 3, which is 45. And 60 plus 45 equals 105. Actually, term number 14, which is 14 plus 13 plus 12 plus 11, and so on until 1, it will be 105. So that means the left-hand side equal right-hand side, both of them equals 105. So after getting analytic proof for the left-hand side equal right-hand side, in this case, both of them is 105. Let us go to this platform and try to verify visually that the left-hand side equal right-hand side. You can see the same given, term number n minus 1, which is term number 4, term number k, term number 3, term number n, because n equal 5 is term number 5, k minus 1, 3 minus 1, term number 2, and term number nk minus 1 is term number 14. So you can see as number of units for term number 2 is 3, term number 3 is 6, term number 4 is 10, term number 5, 15, term number 14 is 105. So can we see that visually that the left-hand side equal right-hand side for this identity? We can see. So term number 4, this blue figure, this blue units is term number 4. And we wanted to repeat it as term number 3. Term number 3 actually 6 units. So you wanted to repeat term number 4 6 times. So we can use this platform and make copy and paste for this unit, this part 6 times. So that's the first time to get term number 4, and we can make another copy. We wanted to make 6 times, second time, third time, fourth time, five, and 6. So this 6 blue figures represents 6, which is term number 3, times term number 4, which is 10 units. So the blue units is term number 4, and we multiply it by 6. So we add it to itself 6 times. So the blue is term number 4, and we multiply it by 6 to get this number of units. What about the second term, which is term number 5? How many times? As term number 2, as the value of term number 2. Actually, term number 2 is 3. So we want to add to itself term number 5, add 3 of them, because the multiplication is repeated addition. So we wanted to get 3 from the orange figure. Term number 2 is 3. Now 3 times term number 5, that means term number 5 will repeat it 3 times. We can make a copy from term number 5 like this. That's the first one. And another copy, the second one, and the third one. So term number 2 is 3 times term number 5 equals 15 units. So 15 times 3 equals the second term here. Now, after getting the blue units expressing the first term and the orange units expressing the second term, to get the result of the left-hand side, we wanted to add them together. So if we wanted to add them together, we can add the units together like this. We will add these units together to get the left-hand side, the result of the left-hand side. That's the summation of the first term, which is blue units, and the orange units for the second term. And after adding them in the same figure, that is the result of the left-hand side. So the blue plus the orange gives us the first term plus the second term, and the sum of these together is the left-hand side. So the left-hand side is the number of units, blue 1 plus orange 1. Now, is this left-hand side equal right-hand side or not? Actually, the right-hand side is term number 14, which is 105 units. So if this red units equals the left-hand side, the sum of the blue and orange unit or not? So we can verify by comparing this figure with the other figure. After getting the left-hand side and the right-hand side, and note that They are congruent. Yes. That means the left-hand side and right-hand side the same. They are equal. That means term number 4 times term number 3, the blue parts, plus term number 5 times term number 2, the orange units, their sum equals term number 14, the red units. Thank you.